create stickers at home without having to buy printers, cutters, and different machines while also having to figure out how to use them and all of their settings, I'm going to show you an all-in-one machine that can do all the printing, cutting, laminating for you. If you've never seen my channel before, I'm Julian and I'm the owner of Belugabee, a sticker and stationery shop where part of the proceeds give back to charities that help the environment and kids in need. I've had my business for over 4 years now and my most popular items are stickers. That's why today I want to show you this really cool machine that can make it easy for you to make stickers at home. I'm also going to show you the quality of the stickers and how to use them for scrapbooking, journaling, if you just want to make it for yourself and don't own a small business. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Real quick, let's talk about how easy the setup is for the PixCut S1 by Liene. It took me less than 5 minutes to put together and connect my phone to it through Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and use a couple of my original designs and upload them to the Liene app to make a sticker sheet. If you don't draw your own artwork, that's totally fine. Liene has a library of over 10,000 options from templates to elements to different themes and styles, so I'm sure you'll be able to find something you're looking for. But let's get started on my sticker sheet. I decided to go with my designs from a wallpaper that I put together earlier this year. I never ended up releasing these designs as stickers, so I really want to see how they turn out as a sticker sheet. But let me know in the comments what designs you'd like to see me put together for next time. Okay, finally we have a group of stickers to work with. All I have to do is add them into the app. By the way, make sure to subscribe because I do a lot of DIY art projects. I also show how my business gives back to the environment and kids in need through different organizations. So if that's something that you want to see, and also my team having fun with working with different charities, make sure to subscribe so I can see you again. Once I'm done setting it up, I click make it and it gets to work right away. Look at it go! Look at it looks so good. It uses a high precision intelligent cutting system and a premium fine 0.1mm blade, which ensures razor sharp kiss cuts for sticker sheets. Yay! Here's the final product. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks so good and the quality is amazing. Look at how cute it is. The colors look so good. You can add these stickers to anything, and since I haven't really decorated my laptop yet, I decided that this would be the perfect opportunity. I chose the bear with frogs and the frog reading a book since I thought those were the cutest out of the bunch of the stickers on the sticker sheet. The glossiness of the stickers is great, and I even still have some left over to add to a phone case. You can use the stickers to decorate so many different things and print out anything that you really want to. You can even print out themed stickers, which is what I would do, so let's move on to scrapbooking with my themed sticker sheet. Since these stickers are all about goal setting, I wanted to put together a page of my major goals and to-do lists for the year. As you can see, these stickers are perfect for decorating my page, and it makes it a lot cuter than if I had just written in my journal directly. I added some colored construction paper cutouts and easily decorated with the stickers. And here's what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, I wanted to print out another sticker sheet, and let's start out with this pig. Isn't he so cute? I've printed these designs myself before, but the color quality using the Liene PixCut S1 is so much better than what I've done in the past. This time, I thought it'd be fun to decorate my Liene machine using stickers from my Everything Pink sheet, which has the axolotls, sakura flowers, piggies, and tulips, which are my favorite flowers, by the way. Now my machine feels a little more me, and I love how it's turning out so far. Okay guys, I saved the best for last because this one is about printing pictures as stickers to save memories that are special to you. And I chose to make some stickers of me and my fiance who I met almost 3 years ago at a food festival where I had a pop-up booth for my Belugabee business. My sister happened to be helping me at the pop-up at the time, and she invited some of her friends over to visit. Shagun came with that group of friends, and my sister told me to hang out with them while she took care of my booth. After 2 more times of seeing him at a friend's birthday party and another friend hangout, I decided to actually ask him out for coffee. So if you see someone you like, don't be scared to just ask to hang out with them. Well, I guess it depends on the situation, but anyway, before we even started officially going out, I genuinely enjoyed just being in his presence because he's such a good listener, very goofy like me, and I loved all the conversations we had. We didn't do anything fancy on our first dates. We walked around the park, grabbed boba or coffee, and just had great conversations, which I was thankful for because I could just focus on him and we could really get to know each other. A little over 2 years later, and we got engaged! Anyway, I'm happy that I can create my favorite photos of us as stickers and add them to my journal. I'm sure you have some great memories too that you'd love to write about and to print stickers of. Let me know in the comment section what pictures you would print for your stickers. Overall, I really love this printer and cutter because it makes creating stickers so easy, and you can even print full 4x6 photos like the ones I'm showing here. They make such thoughtful gifts, and I recently gave some to loved ones, and they're perfect for capturing memories. Just a quick note about the stickers: the adhesive isn't super strong on certain surfaces, but Liene is already working on upgrading them, which I'm really excited about, especially since the print quality is already amazing. Well, I hope this was helpful. I can't wait to create more with this machine, and I'll definitely share more sticker sheets I'm creating in my upcoming short form videos. Make sure to check the link in the description if you want to learn more about the PixCut S1. See you soon!